There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop Edition in diamond black crystal pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels, black roof rails, Class 5 receiver hitch, rear-loading leveling suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, premium wrapped instrument panel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, 19 HARMAN KARDON amplified speakers with subwoofer, sport mode, second row fold and tumble captain's chairs, rear seat video system, power sunroof, 6-passenger seating, power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5469.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.